it's me, T Frutala. Today I'm gonna open this box. It's so heavy anyway. From, I don't know. Okay, let's start. Did you open it? Okay. Oh. Is this puzzles? Mom? What's this? Is this puzzles? Mom? Mom, what is it?
Can't open it all yet.
What's this? For? Mom. What is it for?
I don't know.
What's this? We're gonna make a mini house. How do you make it? Oh, I don't break it. How do you make it? How do you make it? Oh wait, this is not the one that we opened. How do you? Oh, let's see. Oh, I take it off. I want to take it off. But how? Oopsie. You break it. How? Ah, you have to puzzle it. Right? I don't know. So, this is a lot of instructions. This is a lot of instructions. Can you open the door?
Let's see. I don't even know.
Where's the door? This is, look, this house. This house is so cool.
Don't open yet. This is first.
Okay. Wait, how many houses are there?
This one first, Tala. I don't know yet.
Ooh, what's this? What's this? I don't know. Okay, that's the flower. Ooh, the tree. Let me take it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, Mommy, I really want to make this bed. Okay, now let's do
You build this now, Tala.
This is the living room.
Ano number?
Okay, where's the number 1? Number 1's 8 points. I don't know what you call it. Like, it looks like a popsicle anyway. Oh, I really want to make this. Did I just saw this bathroom? What's this? What's this? This is the kitchen. What about this? Wow, this is a shop. I don't know. This is a house. Okay, next. Oh wait, this is a candy shop. Oh yeah.
You get a scissor, anak.
Okay. Where's the scissor? Here. It's always there anyway. Oh, there. Look at that, Tatty. I'm so excited. Do we need scotch tape?
No.
Then how do you fix it? Oh, there's a beach. Next, this one. House. Oh. House. Do we just have to look at it?
Of course. How can you build it?
But I want the bathroom so that I can play. Mom.
Tala, you still at the house, ah?
Does that mean we're good? It's the house. Now what's this? Oh yeah, the house. It's different. Oh, there's more. I want to take it off.
No, don't remove so that I can see the number.
This is number 10. This is number 11.
No.
Oh wait, this is nice. What number are you now? This is the roof, Mom. Why is it so small? It says here it's big. Mom. Mommy. What? It looks so small. And I want the bathroom so that I can play with it. Oh, the door can open, but doesn't go through. Oh wow, there's a TV. I already made a box there, right? Ah, that's. You can play with that, Mom. Mom.
Can't you wait?
What's this one? Oh, the house. This house is so cool. It's the bed. Check the bed, check the bed, see what I see the same. Almost done with the text. I'm almost done there. So